Are you looking for a clean, reliable way to mount accessories to your Broncos capable front bumper? Introducing the IAG Functional Mounting System, or FMS for short. A bolt-on accessory mounting solution built specifically for the capable bumper. Until now, if you wanted to add additional accessories to your Broncos capable front bumper, you would need to cut, drill, or permanently modify your vehicle. IAG's new functional mounting system is a true bolt-on solution that requires no cutting or drilling. Securely mount bull bars, light bars, license plates, and other accessories that requires no permanent modifications. Proudly made in the USA, the FMS system is tough, versatile, and designed to handle serious off-road demands. Our heavy-duty cast stainless recovery points are available in your choice of 4 colors. These recovery points are the heart of the FMS system, providing a secure mounting point for front-end accessories. But don't just take our word for it. These mounts have been independently lab-tested to outperform the competition. The FMS system includes your choice of bolt-on bull bars, full, mini, or OE style. These durable bull bars are manufactured 100% in-house at IAG. Each component is carefully bent, welded, and powder-coated by our team of highly skilled fabricators for strength you can count on. FMS bull bars provide secure front-end protection for your Bronco with minimal obstruction of your front trail camera. Bolt-on strength, bolt-on style, bolt-on convenience. The IAG Functional Mounting System.